Welcome to Science by PK, where we make science fun, exciting, and super easy to understand. Today we're talking about something truly mind-blowing, the speed of light. It's one of the fastest and most fascinating things in the universe, and it plays a huge role in how we understand space and time. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our cosmic adventures. So let's start with the big question. How fast is light? Light travels at an incredible 300,000 kilometers per second. That's 1.08 billion kilometers per hour, or about 671 million miles per hour. Imagine this. Light could circle the Earth more than 7 times in just 1 second. That's faster than anything you can imagine. But what does that really mean? Let's compare it to something that we already know. Sound. Sound moves at about 1,235 kilometers per hour. Light is so fast that if they were in a race, light would cross the finish line before sound even got off the starting blocks. Now, why is light speed so important? It's not just about how fast it moves, it's the cosmic speed limit. Nothing in the universe can go faster than light. This speed helps us measure distances from space. For example, the distance from Earth to the moon is about 384,000 kilometers. And light takes just 1.28 seconds to travel that far. That's why astronauts on the moon can talk to people on Earth almost instantly with only a tiny delay. And what about the sun? The sun is about 150 million kilometers away, and light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. So when you feel the warmth of the sun or see its bright light, you're actually experience it as it was 8 minutes ago. If the sun were to suddenly turn off, we wouldn't even know for 8 minutes. Isn't that wild? But light speed doesn't just connect us to the sun. It connects us to the entire universe. When we talk about distant stars and galaxies, we measure their distance in light years. A light year is the distance that light travels in a single year, which is about 9.47 trillion kilometers. That's almost an unimaginable amount of distance. Here's the crazy part. When you look at a star that is 1,000 light years away, you're seeing it as it was 1,000 years ago. You're literally looking into the past. Some of the stars we see in the night sky might not even exist before because their light takes so long to reach us. Let's go even bigger though. The Andromeda galaxy, the closest galaxy to us, is about 2.5 million light years away. That means when we look at Andromeda galaxy, we're seeing it as it was 2.5 million years ago. Light is like a time machine. It lets us see the universe's history. Now you might be wondering, why can't we go as fast as light? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you get closer to the speed of light, you need more and more energy to keep speeding up. By the time you reach light speed, you'd need infinite energy, which is impossible. That's why the speed of light is considered an ultimate limit. But when scientists are always thinking of ways to push the boundaries, for example, they're studying warp drives, which might one day let us travel faster by bending space and time. It's all still theoretical, but it's exciting to think about. Let's talk about light itself. Light is part of the electromagnetic spectrum, which includes things like radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays. What makes light special is that it's the only part of the spectrum we can see with our eyes. When you see the beautiful colors of the sunset or the glowing stars, you're seeing visible light in action. Light also gives us an amazing tools to study the universe. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope, collecting light from distant galaxies and stars and letting us see billions of places from light years away. This light carries information about light years away, the objects it comes from, like their temperature, age, and even what they're made of. So what makes light so incredible? It's fast, it's powerful, and it's everywhere. It connects us to the stars, helps us understand the universe, and even powers of life on Earth. Light might move faster than we can imagine, but it's also what brings us closer to the wonders of the cosmos. Thanks for watching Science by PK. If you learned something cool about the speed of light today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay curious. We'll see you in the next one.